See, he cried each time he pulled the trigger just to keep his high. He cried each time he told his family goodbye. He cried each time because he knew what drugs would do. Because his sister OD'd in the ICU. I said he cried. I said he cried. I said he cried each time he heard Jesse say up with hope and down with dope. I said he cried each time the government just let it slip on by. And it went uptown, downtown, crosstown, midtown. The dope went all around. He even cried out to Jesus, but Jesus never came. Jesus never came. So he cried until he died. I said he cried until he died. I said he cried until he died because he loved his dope more than he loved his woman. He loved his dope more than he loved his kids. He loved his dope more than he loved himself. He loved his dope until his death. He died digging a ditch that became his grave. He died being a dope man's slave. He died. Thank you for listening.